Hello, I'm Chef Vivien, French chef. Today, liver parfait. It's a French recipe, the French word for pâté, a perfect pâté. Parfait in French means perfect, but also means pâté. It's the perfect recipe for all picnic, parties, sandwich, and many appetizer if you want. It's a very nice base. After you can play with some aromatic things, but I will give you today the basic one, which is already very, very good. For this, you better need a kitchen helper or a mixer or blender, can be the little one like this, or a cutter that we call a cutter, it's this, to help you a little bit. After this, the key point is to respect some temperature, but after this, simple recipe. There is many options to make this kind of with the same ingredients to mix them together. But today I give you the way to do the parfait. A kind of a very light mousse in mouth, very delicate. For this we need chicken liver that I put yesterday night in the milk to take off maximum blood, and now we just have to remove this yellow part, the nerves, the yellow part, and control that there is not the green part, which usually they remove it, which is really bitter. So we just take off these little nerves. There is two parts, and usually the nerves are between the two parts. Hop, and you remove it. This recipe is the base, but you will see it will be inside some liquid cream, some butter, some alcohol, but in some region of France we substitute a part of butter by foie gras. And in this case it's parfait au foie gras. So it's even better. Oh, another taste, let's say. The taste of foie gras. You take a bit of oil, a bit of butter from the total amount, and we warm the fry pan. What we're gonna do now is to fry quickly the liver, fry a bit the shallot, flambé, and after it's all the job in the blender. So my liver I cut in pieces like this size. I'm heating up my fry pan. This I have time to sizzle shallot. Sizzle it this way, and then this way. This step you can do it quicker because all of this will go after in this, so it will be killed. I see that this starts to be warm a little bit more. It's a really simple recipe to get the taste of France, because usually duck liver you find everywhere, butter, eggs, liquid cream, and some alcohol you find everywhere. So it's a nice recipe for this. And now the pan is hot, so we can put our liver. Take care because sometimes they are jumping. You quickly turn them. Well, they are brown, they are nice. They don't have to be cooked at all. They must stay rosé, really rosé, pink inside with blood and so on. So now I remove them. Now it's time for shallot. We fry the shallot. A bit of butter also. You can put a little bit of salt to help the shallot to release water. Some people will put onions, but I find that in the parfait it's not enough fine taste. If you only have onion, put a little bit of onions, but not too much. I will also cook a little bit the thyme. And this way when I will make flambé it will be a bit of smoky taste because of thyme. Now I bring back here my liver. It's really hot pan, really hot pan, so I will flambé. a nice flambé with cognac. Now we take off the pan. My liver is still raw inside, really important. Some shallot is remaining on fry pan, and now I will deglaze with Porto, red Porto. Deglaze it as to take off all the taste which is in the bottom of the fry pan, and we take it like this. It's like a pre-washing. Take your time to do this because this will give flavor, and you reduce after you evaporate. This is Porto port ruby. You can use tawny, you can use very old, but if you use ruby like me, so young one, you see it's really purple, so you will give a nice color to your parfait. Natural color, it's not colorant. So it smells so nice. Oh, so we reduce. Put Porto, you can put also Madeira, you can put a mix of them. Madeira, it's a little bit more bitter. And when I have about, let's say, two tablespoons remaining like this, that's a 2 big tablespoons. Okay, I put my liver in the blender. This is hot, so I put it in this plate in order to cool it, because it must be cold after when I will use it. Eggs. You broke your eggs in a clean glass. You shake it, it's nice. You put it. Once again, we put it up and I mix. Now I need to melt my butter, but not to make it so hot. The target is warm, 40-45 degrees Celsius. My mix of Porto and shallot now it's warm but not hot, so I can put it. So nice color. It's a kind of deep purple mix. My butter is okay, so I have remaining my liquid cream. Liquid cream really quickly, and the butter. Check, perfect. Now we should season with salt and pepper. A really important moment, really important thing. You should put 1.2-1.3% of salt, and pepper 0.15%, maybe 0.20% of the amount of your pâté, your parfait. I know the weight of my blender, but I advise you for the first time to wait to put it in a new bowl, all your parfait, and to be very clear with the amount of the parfait that you have, so the salt that you have. So in my case it's 530 grams, so I will calculate 12 grams for this, so it's 6.5 grams in my case for this terrine that I will put in this. So I put salt. Now, okay, the salt you can start from 12 to 17 grams by kilogram. 12 to 17 grams of salt in 1 kilogram of mix. It depends where you live, and if you're in Spain, in England, in France, or in Japan, the taste is really different. So you play from this scale. Oh, the pepper. Pepper in my case will be 0.8. If you like, here you can add some other spices that you like. 0.7. 0.8. Oh. So now just a little quick blend, mix all together, and the pate, the parfait, is finished. Now it's time to put our parfait in the terrine. So this now we will cook in oven. So for this we will put in a mold that will go in oven. I advise you from ceramic or from glass. Well, as you see, it's the perfect amount for this terrine, and this we will put in bain-marie. So we put in a big one, and here you put all water. Your oven is already preheated at 160 degrees Celsius, and on top you can put a bay leaf for decoration but also for taste. This way the water must be around half of the height, and this will go in oven. Usually 160 degrees, we talk about 1 hour. The target is 68 degrees Celsius inside. Usually this size 1 hour, 1 hour 15, it must be okay. Put it in an oven. 1 hour later, our parfait seems to be cooked. How to check if it's cooked? You take your little knife and you put here and go deep inside. Up. You wait for 5 seconds. 5 seconds like this. You touch your lip. It's more hot than your lip and burn your lip. You cannot let the knife on your lip. It's ready because it's like 70 degrees Celsius or more. Anyway, 168. Or you take a thermometer, put inside. If it's more like than 68, 70 degrees Celsius, it's ready. So we remove from the water. Take care, it's hot. You let it like this for a while, 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, these start to be a little bit colder, so you can put it in a cold water. You go step by step in order to be sure that you don't break your it's hot. You don't break your nice terrine. So now it's just water, and now I will add some ice, and it will cool down. Voilà, like in a restaurant. We cool every time as quick as possible. I have these special blocks, and this make really cold quickly. Voilà. And in about 1 hour, this will be like 20 degrees, 15 degrees Celsius inside, and I can store it in the fridge. And tomorrow we see what's inside and try it with a good baguette bread. Of course, this, as you understand, this you eat it cold, so you cannot eat now. Hot, it's not good at all. You need to wait at least 1 day or one big night in the fridge. One night after our parfait is completely cold, smells so nice. Of course, we need French baguette, and I will show you how to serve it. As a tradition in Gascogne, we make coquille. Coquille in French, it's the shell of the egg. For this, we take 2 spoons hot water, your plate, and we warm the spoon in the hot water, 1 spoon, and we put in the parfait this way. And after you push in your plate this way. And usually you make a second piece like this. Like this. You have some bread. Well, so this usually you serve it you make it in the table of the guest. I learned this in a 1-star Michelin restaurant Arabic Gascogne in Poudenas in France. It was my first experience as a cook, but I also make some extra as waiter, and I learned how to do this. This you do it with a parfait, you do it with mousse of foie gras, of parfait of foie gras, all this kind of stuff which is in a terrine mold. We call it a terrine, and you enjoy it. You can also add some pickles of mini cucumbers like this, and you enjoy like a true French guy your parfait of kitchen liver. Let's try the parfait. You can eat with spoon. Usually we make this form, half of cornichon. so nice. A perfect amount of salt. Don't forget to put a like and subscribe to this channel.